guys, it's Miranda here at Sunshine and Grace, and today I want to show you my design team project for Rach and Bella Crafts for February. Yes, I know, it's the last day of the month. I'm slow, what can I say? It's been one of those jacked up crazy months. So, I have actually made 4 different projects that used this kit. Rosy Blooms from Rach and Bella Crafts. But this is the one that I only chose to use for my design team project because I just thought it really set the kit off to full adorableness because it's a beautiful kit. So what we have is a little tiny and it's very thin flip book made with the journaling cards from the kit. They are the lady journaling cards. Gorgeous! You'll see in a minute. I mean, you can kind of see how pretty they are peeking out there, but they're gorgeous. And I double printed them on the back with a background page from the kit and made this little book. So it has a beautiful closure with some kind of fun and beautiful ribbon that matched. I'm just going to untie that, and then I'm going to leave it untied throughout this video, and I'll tie it afterwards because I struggled with it. Okay, so here's the booklet. You can see that I printed the cards. You can see there are actually 6 in the kit. I used 5. I thought went together really well. I decorated the front one. I hinged them all with washi tape first to put them together. And then I decorated the front with some lace, some bling. Used a little scraplet off of that to decorate that. And then I did not plan it this way, you guys. I wanted to use the love and fight for it. But I did not realize that at the top it said, if you wish for love, fight for it. And I thought that was so beautiful. And that is exactly why. This is the one that I chose to do the flip through of. Because I thought that was so awesome. So, the word is mine. That word is mine. Everything else came from the kit or from my stash. The lace was obviously mine. The washi is mine. Here's the second card, the third card, 4th card, and the 5th card. And then on the back, I took tissue paper, or tracing paper actually, and tore it and just laid over top of this to give a surface to write on for the owner, so that they can write on the backs of these without it, and still have the picture showing through. So it is darker than that, as you can see right there at the edge. The print is darker. I wanted a lighter surface for writing. And there are those. And that is it, you guys. So, tell me in the comments, what do you think? And be sure to check the kit out. I will leave the link to her website or her Etsy shop so you can do that, because y'all are going to want to get it. And, I mean, it's just a gorgeous kit, okay? So, let me know what you think. This really was the simplest thing ever. You just cut them out, hinge them together. I just happen to use washi, ribbon, lace, anything that paper even will hinge. And then decorate it a little bit. And not even a lot of decoration. It didn't need a lot because it's already so pretty. You don't really need to do nothing. So, that wraps that up. My design team project for Rach and Bella Crafts for February. And I don't have a cute name for it yet. I think I'm actually going to call it If You Wish for Love, Fight for It. Because I love that phrase, y'all. That came out perfect. And those were her words. These were mine. It is perfect. I love it. Okay. Now, I'm going to go. But before I do, I just want to remind you that Jesus loves you so much. He died for you. If you've not trusted that fact, then I would urge you to do so today, because nobody's promised the next second. We're all going to die at some point or get caught up out of here. And nobody knows when that's going to be. We don't know when our next breath is. We're not promised it, and we don't know when our last one will be. So, y'all, if you have not trusted the gospel of your salvation, I would absolutely 100% urge you to do so today. Message me, leave me a comment, talk to me. Get hold of me on social media. You can find the links up in my channel art or down in the description box. But talk to me. I will be so happy to share the gospel with you. Or if you just have questions about the stuff that I make, you're like, woman, you didn't even give me any instructions on this. How did I make this thing? Well, let me know that you want me to do a full tutorial, and I will. Because I'd love to make another one. Because it's cute. I really think these would be perfect in journals. I mean, I don't know. They're thin, but they've got a lot of punch. You know what I mean? I mean, like, they got a lot going on, but they're thin. So if y'all want a tutorial, drop that link, or, let me know. Drop it down below. And y'all just have a great day. Hope everybody's doing well and all that stuff. And we'll chat soon, okay? Talk to y'all later. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And to look up Rachel on Etsy. All right. Thanks so much. Y'all have a great one. Bye-bye. Grace and peace.